Alright, so we're here in Oviedo, Florida. We have some of the materials with us. All the catch bases and everything come. I like to buy everything, so I just put it together myself. We have all the piping. What we do here is we're gonna put a sump pump. It's real flat. No way, like we're gonna be where the footer level is right here. So there was an attempt one time to a basin right here, but it's not working. Water's going into the home. So we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna put a pump right here. We're gonna put an open French drain right along the perimeter. We're gonna put hydraulic concrete, waterproof, and then decorative stone over top. So there's gonna be a lot of little things in our way, but we'll get through it. The French drain will start right here, go all the way through here. So there's gonna be sprinkler lines, things in our way, but it's unfortunate. We gotta get through this. We're gonna get rid of all this, connect these downspouts. All these downspouts will be connected on a separate line running out to the street. The French drain is the only thing that we're going to need the pump for. So the pump's only going to work when the French drain fills up. All the water is going to go into the dry well system with the pump and then shoot it out to the street. What we're going to do with the downspouts is put them on separate lines. One straight separate line, solid line, going all the way out to the street. We have the main water lines. It's going to be a lot of little things in our way. The sprinkler valves are so on this portion we're not going to mess with anything like this. We're going to dig around here and go through here and then widen it out, and right here we're going to put the pump and everything. We're getting everything loaded to throw in the trailer. The guys are already moving dirt. As I said in the beginning of the video, we're going to do an open French drain right here, sump pump right here. Amazing work from the guys. Right here's where the pump will go. He's grading everything to make sure that water from back here goes to where we're going to put the pump. Deep now. We have the trench already dug out. This is the second trailer of today. We'll be filling this trailer up and then that's it. We'll be back tomorrow to start the hydraulic concrete waterproof. Right now what I'm doing is cleaning off the wall. Everything, every little detail. You see how mud is still falling out of there? I want to seal every crack that I can. All of that's going to be sealed. We're under the footer. Alright, so you guys can see the hydraulic concrete is in place. Sealed from the bottom. Everything's sealed. We got all the overpour from the stucco out the way. That's how it looks when it's dry. You can see it's dark gray in certain areas. And everything's sealed up through here and everything. Tomorrow start waterproofing, getting all this out the way, re-pitching everything where it needs to go. Little details still. Alright, so here we got 2 coats in. We're going to put a 3rd coat in. The sun was really cooking this stuff earlier. The sun's not here now after lunch. The sun's usually going the other way. As you guys see, everything is sealed right here. Now we're going to give it little touches here and there. Give it a last coat. To then start cleaning all this rock and all this stuff. Getting everything repitched again. And start putting some drainage in. Alright. Gave it the third coat. Ready to go for tomorrow. Start throwing everything in. Everything's in place. Alright, so we're under the sidewalk with the dual wall as always. I can show you we have a complete drop from everything. No gimmicks. See the bubble at the back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run the sump pump line right to this 4-inch. That way we can run those 3 downspouts into this 4-inch going out. So in case, you know, the pump doesn't work one day or something happens with the electricity, the only water going into the dry well and for the pump to lift it is the water from the French drain. The downspout water is going to keep flushing all the way out to the street. So right now, since we're running the solid pipe over top of everything, because we have all this piping in the front that's really going to kill our pitch, and we have good pitch already from there to there. So they have all these sprinkler pipes, these main lines right here, running right here, a bunch of them. So what we're going to do, we're trying to keep this leveled in the trench so we can get the solid pipe straight out to the road. See how we're collecting that downspout? It goes right through here, and all the roof shingle gravel falls there. And then all this will be closed in with rock. It's going to be an open French drain, so it's going to have decorative stone. The guys are doing a great job. We're still all learning how to, and teaching them how we got to make sure we have good pitch. It's a must. We brought 5 tons of rock. We're down to like probably 2.5 tons out here. See how the piping's already underground covered. Have the dual wall out here already. Yeah, I think we got like 2 tons in here left. We're moving along though. This is how you know you got somebody that knows what they're doing. We got a lot of pipes going through here. These pipes, and there's more. There's like 4 or 5 more. If you've been watching the whole video, right under here. So look at this. All the mains going right into here. And we got another valve box back there. We haven't hit anything. We do hit things sometimes. It happens. But this is why we do a gentle dig. Everything, you see, everything's put back in place. If you have good grass, we'll put it back in place the way it was. If you have a lot of weeds and a lot of things, you know, we'll put new grass in, but, you know, it's going to look the same as it was before. That's all we'd like to do. I'm just showing you guys, I'm running a water hose literally right over top. I'll show you the water coming in. Light. Deep. Just a water hose, so I got a rock there. I'll get it out later. And we got the other one coming in from here. That's good. So as you guys can see, we got everything stitched up, closed over here. Put some more stone in here. Fill this in a little bit more. I like to have everything as level as I can. We're stitching everything. This one was wider than my normal French drain. We're stitching everything closed. We got the clean outs here. Be able to access the French drain. We have the pump in place. I'm going to fill in these areas. These sprinklers are eventually going to have to be moved, but there was the old French drain pipe down there and a bunch of things that we would have had to dig out more, and then we wouldn't have been able to keep the same structure of the border. We could have done it, but it was going to be a lot more time. See, we have the pump in there already. So what I like to do is use 190. The rest of the way, I like to go straight through. It's running right into the French drain. So this solid pipe is for all the downspouts. This downspout is wiring in right here. Then it goes to a D box. From there we have another wire down there where we have the pump line wiring into there, so it could go straight out. So we just, to show the client that it's running, just ran a little bit of water that was in there. I'll be running water again in a little bit. You see water right there. So we're good. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the pump will actually be running only the French drain water. Subsurface water and surface water that comes this way. So if this area ever water sits here, it'll go into here, go into the pump, from there to shoot it out. And we're so deep, we're away from the footer, we're good. So the guys are here, we're getting the rock installed, and that is going to be the final. Amazing. Client's never gonna have to worry about water issues again. So we're getting a little bit of weed mat put back here in the corners. Got the pump in place. So we're just gonna get the rock in here. I got my other guy working on going under the other sidewalk. Just a little add-on. We're in Oviedo working. Look at that flow. The rain already went down. It was raining so hard we had to leave our other project. It was 6 minutes from here. We did this one in the beginning of the year. You can hear the water running right through here. Open French drain. You can see everything is running right out to the street with no issues. I could hold this lid down. You can see the bubbles. There's no stopping it. It's gonna keep flowing. We are completely dry up there. Open French drain. 3 downspouts. He's putting some edging in right there. Doesn't even look like we were here. And the water's still flowing out to the street with no issues.